In the quiet moments when it's just you and your thoughts, have you ever wondered if the universe is eavesdropping? Can the conversations you have with yourself truly shape the course of your life? Picture this: every morning, as you face your reflection, you declare affirmations of triumph, of happiness, of abundance. But could this self-talk be more than just words? Could it actually be the key to unlocking your deepest desires? Expert says, the concept that our thoughts can mold our reality isn't just fanciful thinking. It's rooted in the belief that a positive mindset can drive our actions and transform our circumstances. Science reveals that our brain's responses are influenced by the messages we repeat to ourselves. When we engage in optimistic self-dialogue, our brain releases chemicals that foster motivation and a sense of well-being. Consider this: when you tell yourself you can conquer a challenge, your actions align with that conviction. You're more likely to chase opportunities, persist through setbacks, and bring your desires within reach. Ancient practices like meditation and mindfulness also hint at the interconnectedness of thoughts and reality. By harmonizing your inner discourse with your goals, you become attuned to avenues that might otherwise escape notice. Motivational speakers say, talking to yourself is like relaying a memo to the universe. It's about rewiring your mind to focus on solutions instead of obstacles. But let's be clear, this isn't about reciting wishful phrases and waiting for miracles. The universe doesn't simply heed words, it responds to genuine effort, determination, and the unwavering pursuit of your goals. Addressing yourself in ways that beckon prosperity and success is about fostering a mindset overhaul. It's redirecting your mental energy from fretting over problems to architecting solutions. Curiously, the universe seems to acknowledge not just self-centered ambitions, but also intentions that amplify the world's goodness. So, as you stand before that mirror, realize your words possess influence. They establish the tone for your deeds, and it's your deeds that set the rhythm of your journey. Could it be that when you engage in such conversations, with authenticity, with purpose, the universe listens, not as a wish-granter, but as a collaborator in your quest for a richer, more meaningful existence? Embrace the practice of speaking your aspirations into the cosmos. Remember, the universe pays heed, yet it's the symphony of your actions that truly orchestrates the magic.